Welcome back. Continuing the news. New information this evening. TVJ News has obtained body cam footage of the King Alarm guards who attended the scene at the Braemar Estates on Tuesday. The body cam video sheds new light on the incident, which has gripped national attention. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has been tracking the story and now reports.
Here's how it all began. The dispatcher receives a page.
The team is at 17 Braemar Avenue, 17 Braemar Avenue, Braemar Estate.
To have a situation where one of the residents beat up the SO here. Right? Him use a gun like him gun butt him. So call the watchdog and then come investigate it.
And when the King Alarm guards arrive and stand by the gate, a silver car approaches, stops, and two men exit the vehicle.
Who them person? Them?
It doesn't stop there. Body cam shows the man wearing a suit taking an object from the trunk of the vehicle. He approaches the gate and then attempts to break the padlock using a hammer. The guards try to intervene, but the man continues. A tussle ensues between a man wearing a red shirt and the guard who was allegedly attacked moments earlier. And then this. It gets heated, and the guard wearing this body cam tries to calm the situation. The video continues. Then there's another tussle, as the guard who was wearing a white shirt earlier attacks the licensed firearm holder. That was followed by screams. But here's the part of the video many have taken issue with. The guards beating the man as they attempted to handcuff him. Fast forward to about 5 minutes later, the police arrive.
I'm the property manager. I would suggest that you speak to me or some other resident here who is witnessing what happened here this evening.
The King Alarm guards involved in the incident have since been removed from duty pending the investigation. Many have since insisted that those actions are not enough.
In a release on Thursday, King Alarm said their internal investigation into the matter has concluded. The release states that where applicable, letters will be served to members of the armed response teams and they'll be summoned to disciplinary hearings. Those hearings are expected to be completed by Monday, July 9.
Actions taken by the management of the company are expected to be made public. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.